Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back into another video. Man, it's been a while since I've grabbed the camera and actually, vlogged and talked to you guys. But man, I'm so excited to come back into YouTube and start uploading back again. Especially, I want to start a new series with my car. Yeah, I've been wanting to record lately since, this whole pandemic going on in the world with this coronavirus. There's really not much we can do out here. They got stores closed, everything closed. But other than that, I hope you guys and your families are okay and are doing well out there, because there's a lot of people that lost jobs, including myself. But yeah, anyways, moving on. Just want to get into a topic of I want to show you guys my car, and want to get into a little in depth with you guys, and hopefully you guys can give me some tips, or if you guys know anybody that know a lot about Volkswagens, and hit me up on my social media. So I'll be having all that in the description below, so make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. And yeah, I mean, I'll reply to anybody, don't matter any questions you guys have or anything like that. I know a little bit, but not as much. Of course I did my research and whatnot. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is windy outside, so hopefully you guys can hear me. If not, I'm gonna try to see if I can turn up the volume a little bit. But just make sure you guys, if you guys are using headphones, make sure to turn it down a little bit. I don't want to hurt your ears or whatnot. But anyways, yo, let's just get straight to the video. So this is my GTI right here. I know you guys have seen it. For those who haven't, make sure you guys follow me on my social media, and I'll be posting a lot of videos in there about what I've been doing to my car, what I have plans doing for my car. Hopefully you guys can hear me. If not, I'm gonna try my best, to keep my voice up and keep my voice ahead, or keep my voice louder so you guys can hear me on the video. This is my car right here. This is I have nothing really major done to it. Only thing I have done is, of course, some raceline coilovers, and I also got let me see if you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see, hold on, see if you can see it. It says ECS tuning. I got some spacers on there, which is, I believe, if I remember, is 12.5 in the front and 20 in the back. So it gives it a nice little look, gives it a nice little flush look. Also, this car has not had an alignment, so I need to go take this little cutie out, get an alignment. But I will be getting one soon. Other than that, I got an air intake on it. What I have is have my resonator delete, and I also have a muffler delete. So it sounds nice. I mean, I'm also gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds, and I'm also gonna show you the engine bay. Got the original seats in there, GTI red seats in there. Got an R shifter, and yeah, I still got the stock radio in there. Seats look pretty decent, in the back. Just decided to take the seats out because nobody hops in my car either way except my girl and I, and that's about it. So I have a lot of room back here, to put a little speaker, which I'm planning to do in the future. Well, actually I have the speaker already. I just need the wires and get that going. Also got a new South Performance boost gauge on there. The miles are as shown. So yeah, when I bought this car I was at 115k which is not bad for the year. It's also a 2003. My bad. I forgot to tell you that. Damn, this is hard to do with one hand. Oh. So here's my engine bay. Woohoo! So I got this fat ass goddamn motherfucking air intake. Bro, I gotta remove that and just give me a freaking new speed intake or something different, cause that is too fat and I'm not liking the way it looks. Other than that, yeah, it's basically stock. Like, this is dead on stock. I think it has, the 2003 version has a KO3S. Hopefully you guys can see it down there. It's right there. Woohoo! Currently pushing 10 pounds of boost. I want to go stage 2 ECU, and from this guy named Cody from Low Life Tuning. If you guys know him, or you guys have ever, you know, gotten any experience with him, please let me know in the comments. Like, I really want to know a lot of information about these cars and how they are, if they're reliable with the tunes, or, you know, what's the big issue with these cars. Also, I got timing belt kit with the new water pump coming in. Well, I already got it in. I just need the money to start making some moves, you know, bring you guys with me. Also want to get a new short shifter from Diesel Geek Sigma 5. I know a lot of you out there with this car have heard about it, and I've read some articles, and I've seen a lot of people saying that it's an amazing feeling. It's a good upgrade for this car. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start it, and so you guys can hear the engine. You know, if you guys, of course, like I said earlier, if you guys notice anything, any noise, any knocks or whatever, just let me know in the comments. Like I said, I don't really know much about Volkswagens. If you guys have any pointers on what to do first before I start going in crazy, please let me know down in the comments below, or simply just follow me on my Snapchat, and I will reply with you guys. I will reply as soon as possible, I promise you. So yeah, let me go ahead and start this little baby right here. Alright guys, so this camera died, so I hopped into my action camera, which is basically like a GoPro type. So let me go ahead and get my key. Where are my keys at? My keys real quick. Turn this bad boy on. Y'all listen to the motor right quick. This is it right here. Yes, sir. That is it. So far, I have not gotten any problems. No leaks, no boost leaks, none of that. I've gotten no problems at all ever since I bought it. Hope it lasts like that a long time. I don't want to jinx it, but I mean, yeah. Let's go ahead and head to the exhaust. Give you guys a little preview on this little bad boy, this little bad girl right here. That's how the exhaust sounds. Hopefully, it can pick it up. Now I'm gonna give you guys a little test, a little testing. See if you guys can hear it. If you guys can hear it, just rev it up a little bit, not too crazy. Be right back. So yeah, there you go. I mean, you guys want to go on a freaking ride or what? All right, guys, let's get it. Let's go. you guys can hear it. Hopefully there's not a lot of wind going on. It's so beautiful here. It's absolutely some gulls, dude. Yes, sir. Let me know what you guys think. How does it sound? You guys like this view? Look at this. Woo! Haha. What a beautiful day. I love when the boost just kicks. I mean, even though it's just 10 pounds, I mean, and I love it. I love this car. It's so fun to drive. It's so light, and then when the power kicks, it's just